Hi, welcome to my channel. Today you will see how to crochet amazing cord using two kinds of seed beads and round beads. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Seed beads are large, transparent and not outright. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. I will begin the cord from making the segment. I will start from the chain. Continue. Pull up the working loop. At this point I am joining a bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with bead. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. For the chain space, insert the hook into the chain stitch on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. Work with opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains for the chain space. Insert the hook into the chain space. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. Well done. To begin round 1, it is going to be a round of half double crochet with seed bead. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 half double crochet. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the back loop of the slip stitch. Make half double crochet. Work with the opposite chain space. Make 6 half double crochet. 1. It should be 6 of them. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Continue working. First one is ready. Let's crochet the second one. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make the second one. The third one. 4, 5, and 6. I am done all my stitches. To complete this round, I remove seed beads. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. So my segment is ready. You can use it to create earring or pendant, or it could be like a brooch. This is the back side. I continue working on my cord. Let's crochet the second segment. Let's stop at this point. Here how it looks with accessories for jewelry. And I remind you, I am using two kinds of beads, a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. For this project you just need to know how to crochet half double crochet and chains. Also it can be used in Irish lace project. And next time I will show you how to crochet the second segment. It is going to be the same like the first one. Make a chain, pull a little bit, make chain more, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, as I did before. If you have got bigger hole than the hook, you can just change the hook to the smaller size. Take the working loop, pull it through, the bead and the yarn. This is 1.4 millimeters crochet hook. Sometimes I am changing the hook because my hole is smaller than current crochet hook. Now I am changing the hook. Here how it looks. I'm making a chain with bead. Make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains for the chain space. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that is closer to the bead. Make a slip stitch and work on the next chain space. Make chain of 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that is with bead. So my base for the segment is ready. Let's crochet half double crochet with seed bead. And I remind you, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I didn't count them. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Draw seed beads. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread. Make half double crochet 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have done 6 half double crochet with seed bead. Make half double crochet into the slip stitch that I did before. Like this. I lost my yarn. Yarn over the hook again. And half double crochet. Work with the opposite side. Draw seed beads. Make 6 half double crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. To complete this round, insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. This second segment is ready. I have done 2 segments. So you should work as many times as you need for your cord. Make a chain, pull it, then chain more, pull up the working loop, take a bead, put it on the hook, and so on. I remind you, I'm going to work with next segment. So my cord is almost ready. I just need to complete my work. I have done 6 segments, 7. This is the back side of my cord. To complete the work by making a chain, after I have done the last stitch, to secure the yarn by making a chain, pull it, and I have already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to create jewelry like a bracelet or a necklace. You should sew accessories for jewelry. Here what I have. So my cord consists of 7 segments. Here how it looks on my hand. You can use it as a bracelet or necklace belt or like a gift for your friend. I remind you, I use 2 kinds of beads, ball of yarn and a crochet hook. You can use any tools that you like. There are a lot of video tutorials on my channel. Please visit my channel and find a lot of interesting ideas for crocheting. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.